Hey everybody, this is Vince Omega, and in this video I'm going to show you how to apply a mask to an AVI file using Virtual Dub in Avisynth. Now I know it's been a long time since I did one of these type of videos, but I know you probably noticed if you've seen the last video that there is a little logo on the bottom right hand side. This was done using Avisynth, and I'm going to show you how I did that. Now, the very first line on there creates a blank AVI file. This is the file that I use to help apply the mask. Now, before going into the script itself, I want to explain what a mask is. A mask is essentially a graphic that you apply using a black background and anything other than black. In a sense, with a mask, the colors are reversed, whereas though black is treated as transparent and white is treated as a color that's fully opaque, or basically one that's seen. And when you apply a mask, anything that's white will be black, and anything that's black will be transparent. So I use the blank clip method, which I explained the functions of that in my DVD menu video that I made a while back. I assign the blank clip method to the variable canvas. I essentially import two AVI files, because it's really two AVI files that I merged. I name one base clip and I name one added clip. Of course, these are the URL paths I take for the source videos, and these are the attributes. If you need to know what AVI source does, you can always go to the Avisynth Wikia, because I already went over what AVI source and AVI file source was in the previous video, so I'm not going to go over it again. Channel mask is essentially the graphic that I use for the mask, and that's done by using Image Reader, which is very similar to Avisynth. I believe I explained what Image Reader was in a previous video, so I'm not going to go over it again. Total clip, I essentially append base clip to added clip. Now this is something that I didn't do before, so I'm going to go into detail with this. Now, whenever you're adding a video to another video using Avisynth, they both have to have the same frame per second and the same dimension, or else it's not going to work. And to do that, of course, you use two plus signs, not one, or else it's not going to append them, or splice them, as you will, because that's what you're really doing, you're splicing them. And the next line has me assigning canvas to basically canvas with the mask function being appended to it. And the mask function essentially basically allows you to import an image to whatever file that you have as a mask. And then again, I assign canvas to a function that resizes canvas itself, so this makes canvas smaller. And the final line, which is layer, basically has canvas being applied on top of total clip. And then of course I assign the transparency of the image itself, with 255 or 256 being the max value. The X and Y coordinates of that image. The threshold is only used if you're basically using a lighter or darker mode for the OP value that's in the layers. And I just use chroma as true. I don't have enough knowledge to know what chroma really is right now, so I'm not gonna mess with it. But there you have it. That's the code that I use to basically apply the mask on to the video you just seen. And with this knowledge, you'll probably see more customization in my videos now. Well, I don't want to give anything away, but you'll probably see something a little later. But anyway, that's how you apply mask or mask images to a video using Avisynth. It's pretty simple, huh? It's definitely not as complicated as that DVD menu thing, which was like this really messed up looking thing. And to be honest with you, I'll probably go back to the DVD menu thing and make it simpler. Now that I basically know how to do a mask like this, because I'm pretty sure with the mask I can honestly just make a graphic column and use that as a DVD menu, but I'll go into that in a later video. So there you have it. This is Vince Omega, and I'm signing off. Oh fuck, I didn't say it. I said it.